Sophia, what happened to your bracelet?
What happened?
Where is it? Where'd you put it? Your bracelet, the green one. Keep looking.
Where's your bracelet, honey?
Where's your... I don't know. Is it under here? Did you drop it down there? Look over there. Maybe it fell over there. No. The green bracelet?
So
Try this. Try this. So is it here? Sophia. Is it here? Let me see.
look at this.
No. Is it here? No. You try it. Let's see. Maybe it's here.
What's over here?
Check here. Check here. Try yours. It's not in my ears. Check yours.
Ah!
There's the green bracelet.